up, everybody? Welcome to the Ironclad Marketing Minute. My name is Ben Riccardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and we help restoration business owners get more leads and sales just by getting their internet marketing right. Now, today's episode is a good one, especially if you're spending money on digital marketing, especially if you're spending money on having somebody optimize your Google business profile, or if you're like 99% of the other people out there, you've been pulling out your hair for a few years, trying to figure out how to better position yourself in the Google Maps section. So we all know that your Google business profile is tied directly to those Maps rankings. So there's some remedial optimization tactics that you normally do. Make sure that you have an accurate name, address, phone number, a verified Google business profile, making sure you have all your service areas set, all your services set, and you're uploading photos, creating updates, and linking that to your website on a consistent basis. And a big one you don't want to forget is getting more reviews. But in a recent few emails, Google has been dropping some not so subtle hints on some things they might want you to start doing for your Google business profile to get more rankings in. And typically, Google doesn't add a feature to something unless they want you to do it. And if you do what they tell you to do, there's a good chance that they will reward you with better rankings and better visibility. Now, the big hints that they've been dropping are something that I've been talking about for a few years now, and that is adding video content to your Google business profile. Now, there's a lot of reasons you should be adding video content to your website, to your YouTube, and all the syndication processes that I talk about on my podcast, The Restoration Rundown, or the webinars, or if you've seen me speak live. We talk a lot about syndication and getting the most bang for your buck out of content, and how important video content is just to build trust and give somebody something that's a little bit more digestible when it comes to your restoration business, right? So Google offers or has a feature in their photos or media section that allows you to upload videos, and you need to start doing it for a few different reasons. And I'm going to tell you why these will enhance your Google business profile. Number one, from the easiest way that you can think of, it's going to build an instant connection and some credibility. Remember, building trust in the restoration world is huge. You're dealing with people with typically some sort of catastrophic property damage, or even if it's commercial. So seeing the faces that are going to be coming in there and helping them in their time of need is big. You're able to talk about your company, and you're able to create videos for every single one of the services that you make. I mean, videos are endless. You can create a video for everything you do, answer frequently asked questions, and it's going to help convert those eyeballs that are coming to your website, coming to your Google business, into more leads and calls, right? Which are going to be probably a little bit more qualified, because if somebody took the time to watch one of your videos and then picked up the phone to call you, it's a good chance they want to do business with you. So videos are a very important part of your marketing strategy. But even more so now that Google's been dropping these little breadcrumbs, now they've added this feature, you need to start doing it. The other part of that is nobody is doing it. So you are getting into this in ground zero, right? So if you're listening to this, whenever this airs, if you take away anything from any Ironclad Marketing Minute, start uploading videos to your Google business profile. All right. The other thing it does is it's going to optimize your media section, right? Again, I mentioned Google doesn't add features that they don't want you to use. So put videos up. Don't overthink it. You can pull your cell phone out, record a video of yourself talking about something with your company. A nice intro to your company on the homepage is great. Video for water damage, fire damage, mold, whatever services that you offer that you want to rank for, throw them up there. Get them on your website. Share them as a blog. But most of all, put them on your Google business profile as well. You might as well. If you're going to take the time to record these videos, let's squeeze as much juice out of that lemon as possible. Videos also keep people engaged more on your site, right? So longer engagement times, the more people are looking through your Google business profile, the better for you, right? You're going to have a better chance of converting that traffic. And it is part of the 1 million different types of ranking factors there are, is actually how long people are spending on your Google business profile. So again, if you want those Maps rankings, which are the bread and butter of visibility in the restoration world or any home service business, got to make sure you're ranking well. And this is a very big way that Google has been dropping breadcrumbs lately that they're going to roll out soon and make it huge. I'm expecting some sort of announcement. You're probably going to start hearing about this everywhere, but it's something we've been talking about for quite a while, but we're going to get a little bit more serious about it, especially with our clients here at Ironclad Restoration Marketing. And then you're building authority, right? They're a pain to make. Videos are not easy to do, especially consistently. So that's taken into consideration in ranking factors, believe it or not. So the fact that your competition isn't making videos and you are is going to set you apart from everybody else. If you happen to be in the top 3 rankings in the map section in your service area and you have videos and you have the same reviews, the same everything as everybody else, the other 2 people in that position, but you have video that they can watch, there's a good chance they're going to call you instead of your competition, which is what we want. So you need to start creating videos for your Google business profile, get those videos up on your website and do it consistently. You can spend a couple hours on a Saturday in your office and make a ton of videos. They don't need to be overproduced. They don't need to be overthought. Authenticity is key, but again, done is better than perfect. I strongly suggest working in video SOPs into your company, your text, especially if you do recon, a before and after cool little video with transitions you can make on an app on your phone is huge for people that are looking for somebody to come clean up flood damage and put their kitchen or their bathroom back together. Fire restoration, that's huge. Those are super impactful, emotional videos that you can share that will, 1, help convert your eyeballs into traffic, and 2, may even help your visibility and your rankings on your Google business profile. So get out there, start making videos for your Google business profile, get them up on your website, and tune in next time to the next episode of the Ironclad Marketing Minute. If you have any questions in the meantime, visit our website at ironcladrestorationmarketing.com. Feel free to reach out, follow us on all the socials. We're streaming the Restoration Rundown podcast anywhere that you consume audio content, and we're always live on YouTube. We're looking forward to seeing you then. We'll talk to you soon. Also, anybody going to the experience in Punta Gorda, I'm going to see you there. I'm speaking Wednesday, April 9th at 9:30 a.m. And I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about marketing. So stay tuned for that. We're looking forward to talking to you.